The exponent rule says that when there's a number in the front, you can move it to be the exponent of the number after the log. Okay? So that's what that exponent rule says. So this problem is kind of, has a hidden number in front of the logs, okay? The log of z doesn't have anybody hidden. But this 2 down here is the same as 1/2 log of x plus 1/2 log of y. So pull out that number into a fraction and you might be able to see it better. So we've got log to the z, that 1/2 turns into an exponent, so it's log of x to the 1/2 plus log of y to the 1/2 because the number in the front turns into the exponent. Okay? Now since it's plus signs, we have 1 log and we multiply all those things together. And that is one answer that I'll take. The other answer is whenever you have something to the 1/2, that is the square root. So I'll also accept log of z square root of xy, which is the pretty way of putting it. Both of these have numbers in front of the log. So let's get rid of those first. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do log base 9 of 12 to the 6th minus log base 9 of 7 to the 6th. This 6 turns into the exponent here. This 6 turns into the exponent here. Everybody understand that? Now, since there's a minus sign, it's log base 9 minus is division, 12 to the 6th over 7 to the 6th. And I'm okay with you leaving it like that, or you can turn it into a number.
Just the answer right there?
Yeah.
No, what's it called? Minus?
What happened to the minus?